Hey there! If you're enjoying my content, consider subscribing. You can always change your mind later. Now let's get into it.
Take off on a watch. Who you got your money on?
One day.
Whoever makes the Maria sign wins.
I want to say the Nissan's going to be faster than the BMW.
That boy should be giving him hella muffler right now. He should be going. Go! Go! Look at him! Go! Oh! Oh!
Is it working live?
Whoa! He can't go back over the hump. Oh!
Live.
Oh! That's going on YouTube. Oh! I told you. I told you. I told y'all ninjas. I told y'all ninjas.
Let's pull over here. Ma'am, let's just pull over here. That way we don't block the...
I don't know. You're blocking my car.
Ma'am, can you just park over here? No, ma'am, can you just park over here? We'll just park over here and exchange information, okay? Okay, we'll just exchange information. Ma'am, can you please just park over here on the side? Can we just park over here on the side? Ma'am, can we just park over here on the side, please? Ma'am, can we please park over here? Because we're blocking the... I got insurance, but can we please park over here? Because we're blocking...
Give me insurance.
Okay, can we go park over there, please?
You give me insurance first.
Okay, fine. You give me your insurance too, then.
You don't have to change the law. We're going to say that anybody in Georgia who believes in complete unfit wants to protect President Trump's legacy and Congress, vote in the Senate races. If you don't, you're setting in motion the destruction of Donald Trump's family, the destruction of his legacy, and the implementation of socialism in America. That's what's going to happen.
There's a lot at stake. All right, Senator Lindsey Graham, 100-941 Sean, if you want to be a part of the program. We have more eyewitnesses, in other words, whistleblowers that you won't hear in the mob and the media coming up. Real evidence being presented by real people under penalty of perjury.
First I was broken, I'm going on shopping spree. And first I trusted these niggas,
Yep.
A little slower that shaped us and created what you call an animal for all seasons. What happened? So another thing to appreciate is that we live in a really unusual time for the planet. We've been in an ice.
What the?
We're almost there.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Seriously?
Come on.
Seriously? We just got hit?
Yes.
Babe, I don't know.
Babe, we have to get over. We got hit.
Oh.
Oh man, somebody just hit me.
Oh shit.
Yo,
Alright.
gotta go.
Alright.
Bye.
Do it.
Mother.
I think I could find you. You did. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! What happened?
Did he hit me?
Oh my god! Wow.
And reporters usually say bias of the center. What the hell is that? And frankly, most reporters believe that if they're centrists, if they're not rightists and they're not leftists, but they're centrists, then they have no bias. And the argument that FAIR has been making, and it's hitting home. A lot of reporters are looking at themselves for the first time in a new light.